this is what it's like in Japan, in this part of the world, on a snowy morning. In fact, this is the first. I think this is about the first time I've ever done this, because it's before 7 o'clock, and usually by the time I get up or start work, when it's been snowing, most of the snow has gone off the roads. But I think maybe today, because it's very cold and there's some more snow, it just, I might stay around. Nothing, of course, like they have in America at the moment. But in a way, I am taking it really, really slow. I just thought the headlights on those oncoming cars looked quite good in the snow. Anyway, that's this snowy journey finished for now. Bye bye.